guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's to me, your favorite baby girl, Happiness Empire. Yes guys, so guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, as you can see, something is on my head. What is this on my head? How come? How do I shave the curls? How do I make it look this cute? Well guys, if you want to know how I achieve this curls, so the video is up now. Like, let me say, I actually upload the video let me say 2 minutes before this video. Yeah, let me say so, or 15 minutes before this video. It's not up to, so go and check it out guys. And as for my new subscriber, love you guys so very much. Thank you for joining this family. Well, for my returning subscriber, there's nothing I can do without you guys, because without you, girl, there is no Happiness Empire. Without you, there is no channel like this. Without you, there is no me. Thank you for always coming by guys. So let's just get right into this video. So as I was saying before, yesterday I did a tutorial on how to achieve these coils. So these are actually the hair. Yeah, so these are the hair guys. I just brought a little bit of it out to show you guys. So these are the hair that I'm using. See, they are bouncing, so cute and beautiful. So let's just get right into it. Now I have some of the hair that I've already unraveled, so I'm just going to use them to crochet my hair, which is, as you can see, I didn't want this video to be too long, so that's why I went ahead to do it off camera. I don't know if you guys are okay with that. Please be. Just go ahead to do my thing. Don't know where that noise is coming from. see, I'm only tying one side of the attachment. You see, just look at it. Yeah, I'm only tying it because I don't want it to be. So now I'm going to be rubbing my aloe vera oil on the hair. Please, if you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes guys, see you on my next